Learn English. Hello, everyone. Here are the two words for today. Number one, you can see yourself in it. Correct. Number two, it is bad. And comparative, worse and worst. Correct. Number one, please listen and write this in your notebook. Jennifer looks in the mirror every day. Jennifer looks in the mirror every day. Mirror. A mirror is a thing made of glass, and light bounces off of it. Now we can make a flashcard for mirror. We say to look in the mirror very much. Please make a card like this. Write mirror up here in the top left corner. MIRROR. Down here, BATH 1. This means bathroom, level 1. And over here the number 9 out of 21. Now I will show you the IPA. Please write the IPA up here in the top right corner. Mirror. 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 Number 2, please listen and write this in your notebook. Today is a bad day. Today is a bad day. Bad. It is cloudy, raining, and very cold. It is not a good day. Now we can make a flashcard for bad. Compare it to yesterday. Worse than. The worst day. Please make a card like this. The basic form is be bad, with worse and worst, comparative and superlative. Down here, A1, this means adjective, level 1. Over here, the number 5 out of 88. Now I will show you the IPA. Please write the IPA up here in the top right corner. Bad. Game over. You did very well today. Today we learned mirror and bad, worse, the worst. And if you're high level, here are the level 2 words. Smile as a noun. Can you do it? Jennifer has a beautiful smile. Correct. Bob is able. This means he's healthy and strong and he knows some stuff. Number 3, to do something. Hopefully. Yeah, that's an adverb. Today is Thursday, August 7th. If you are new, welcome. This is a complete 2-year course, rotating. You can join anytime. Please write your language on the other side of the card. My name is Vinny from Canada. Thank you for watching. Bye-bye.